Back to the channel, guys. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate you guys stopping by, checking out this video. Hope you guys like the rims on the Red Demon. I bought those rims a couple years ago on the cheap. They are original. They come off a good friend of mine's Cobra, and I've had them tucked away over there for a while, guys. I know I've been kind of keeping some of my OG subscribers on suspense of what kind of rims I'll be running on the car, but that's them. Now check the back. As you see, I got enough for clearance right here. I actually can bring the car down some more, but I was really worried about clearance on the inner fender well and all that. So all that looks good. It's clearing. I think they look really good on the car. New lug nuts, of course. And right here's a shot of the front with the Cobra calipers. But they look really good. Not the tire I want to run on the front, but that's a brand new set of tires actually. So that's a plus. But yeah, I think the car looks really good, man. I'm happy with the way it looks. So yeah, guys, that's the rims I've been holding out on you guys. Like I said, I've always wanted to say it. Eventually, if I don't want to run them anymore, I can always run them on this car right here. So no big deal. But I really do like them. So with that out of the way, guys, like I said, I hope you like them. I like them. But with that out of the way, I want to finish up what I did a couple months ago. I got out here and I started on the driver's side. I was getting ready to start doing the SMR subframe connectors. Getting ready to do the kit. But I also bought a little something extra. So maybe if you guys are getting ready to do the same thing to your guys' car, you might want to pick up a set of these. They wasn't really that expensive. And I actually bought these when I bought the subframe connectors. And I've had those subframe connectors for a couple of years now. But that's the plate that we're going to weld in tonight, guys. Right there is the part number if you guys want to pick up a set. I don't think they were really that expensive. I can't remember. It's been so long ago when I bought them. But I've already done primed them and painted them. They're ready to go. Now these right here come with the SMR subframe connectors, excuse me. We're still going to use these, but we're going to put these on the car first. And then this one right here would just sit on there just like that. And of course it'll be square. And we'll get them welded in. That's what I want to do tonight. We'll drop down here underneath the car real quick and take a look at the one I've already done welded in. And that was the reason why I built all of these blocks or whatever you want to call them. But that's the reason why I built all of these right here, because of course we need to get the weight of the car down on all four tires when we weld in these subframe connectors. So I built those a couple months ago. Serve other purposes, of course. But right here you go. Got that one welded in. Don't pay no attention to the welds, guys. I'm not the best welder in the world, but we get by. And this right here is the plate that come with the subframe connector kit. Now I do have the, also have the rails that go across the seats right here. They're hanging up right over there. One there, one there. We'll get those installed too. But tonight I want to do the passenger side, get these right here welded in. Hopefully it won't take too long, but as you see, it just stiffens all this up in here. This would have been there if I didn't have this. That still would have helped out a lot, but I'm glad I bought those when I did. And like I said, guys, I don't think they were that expensive really. So you can see, get a general idea how this side looks, of course. All right, guys, I got the plates right here. We're gonna walk over here and I'm gonna show you how these things right here sit on top of that torque box. And then I'll start welding them in, check in with you guys from time to time. I don't want to damage my little eBay camera here with some of them weld sparks. All right, we're gonna get down here and check it out. Oh, goodness gracious. Let me get you guys set up here. Bear with me. There we go. I think you guys can see that. All right, essentially, this plate's gonna sit up here. Now you're gonna have to bend This right here will have to be bent down a little bit, and you'll have to bend this down a little bit. I just took a hammer and a punch and bent them over a little bit. Of course, I cleaned everything up. But what I want to do is get these up into place where they're going to go. That one will go like that. And then the one that come with the subframe connectors, it's going to go up like this. It's going to rest tight against this right there. It's going to rest tight against this right here, guys. So what I'm doing is using kind of both of them to line each other up, if that makes any sense. So that actually feels good right here, nice and solid. This feels like it's square to this. This feels like it's square to the car. And then I'll clamp it in place right here, put a couple tacks in it, and then begin to weld it up. And like I said, guys, I'm not no welder by no means, but we'll get the job done. But yeah, that's pretty much how that right there goes. So I'm gonna get set up, guys. I'm gonna mark this out, come in here, grind some of this paint off so we can get the best weld we possibly can. Like I said, I'm not much of a welder, but I do my best. That's done there. We'll worry about getting the subframe connectors welded in on the next video, guys. I hate I couldn't get them done tonight, but I run out of time. Oh yeah, I failed to mention, those of you that stuck around through the whole video, I do got new mufflers right here, pipes, adapters, clamps, turn downs, all that good stuff. So make sure you keep an eye out, guys. That video will be coming soon. And for those of you that want to know what that part number was, again, right here's the part number for that reinforcement plate. And I hope you guys like the SVTs on the Red Demon. I think they look good, man. I'm really happy with the way the car turned out, guys. We still got a little bit more work to do, of course. There's always work to do on a project. Make sure you keep out for the next video, guys. I'll see you then.